Another day of me ordering groceries in my sleep. I ordered these at
My sleep.
in your sleep? No, in my sleep. For reference, I ordered these at 2 o'clock this morning. Can you grab one? Can you grab one? Come on, grab them. Bring them inside. I have no recollection of what I got, but I made a menu at 2 o'clock this morning of what we're having for the next few days. So let's see what we got. We've got green onions and fresh dill. I love both of those. That's awesome. Lots of berries for the berry queen. That checks out. Raspberries and strawberries. Oh, I gotta look at my notes on my phone. I have no idea what I'm making. Okay, we've got 2 blocks of sharp cheddar, and I got 2 different kinds of feta in water. You know, this is the good feta. It's the block of feta and water. I have no idea what I'm making. I gotta check out my notes. I'm excited. I gotta clean my house today. Graham crackers, some snacks for Kennedy, some sea salt, some buttermilk, pancake, and waffle mix. I gotta check my phone. I don't know what I'm using this for. English muffins, a loaf of bread, garlic powder because I was completely out, and garlic powder is my favorite, well, besides salt. Bread flour because I ordered 2 more packs of sourdough starter. So I do have my old sourdough starter, Princess Doanna. I have it in the fridge, but it's been sitting there for like 4 months. And I just thought, you know what? It's not the same. I tried to make bread with it and it's just not the same. So I'm gonna start over. Is someone in my backyard? Is someone in my backyard? Oh gosh. That's what I saw right there. I just realized, why is one of our chairs down there? That's okay. Did the wind do that? Anyways, I'm starting my sourdough journey back up because a bunch of y'all have been asking me how I did it, and the weather is gonna start getting warmer around here soon, so it's the perfect time to. Because that too, making sourdough during the colder months, it just takes so much longer, and yeah. So anyways, we're starting sourdough up soon, so stay tuned for that because a bunch of y'all have been asking me. I really gotta look at my phone. What am I making? I've got another block of cheese, more cheese. More cheese. What am I making? Eggs. Let's say a little prayer. Hope that the eggs are not cracked. Looks good. Okay. All right. According to my calculations, this should be the meat because I haven't opened any meat yet. That would be correct. We've got chicken. More chicken. Grayson's favorite part of grocery delivery. I just leave the bags here for like 10 minutes because he likes to play with them. Spicy chicken nuggets. Oh, spicy chicken nuggets. Oh, Grayson. Also got some coconut Cool Whip because it's good. I used to eat this like every day in college. It's so good.
Ow.
Tomatoes and a butternut squash because I'm going to try and make some homemade baby food for Mr. Gray. I'm thinking butternut squash, apple chicken. And that's it. So what I'm making, I have no idea, but I'm going to go look at the notes in my phone because I'm sure it's something delightful. Honestly, someone mentioned last night on a video of mine, they said, you should make the grocery list and make the meal plan for us for the week. If y'all are interested in that, let me know because I would love to do that. That is my Olympic Games every week, okay? Anyways, I gotta get all this stuff in the fridge. I'll talk to you guys later. Happy Tuesday. If not Tuesday, it's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Oh, happy birthday. That's so nice. She's just reading. She's reading this because she knows it says happy birthday. But if it is your birthday, happy birthday. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.